Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is the Movie Box Office Prediction with a Self-Supervised and Visually Grounded Pre-Training. This is our abstract. A significant amount of risk is involved in investing in the film industry because of the long tail and bimodal distribution of movie reviews. Precise estimation of the box office receipts would reduce the uncertainty and promote investments. However, there is still a difficult unresolved problem with the learning efficient representation for the performers, directors, and keywords connected to user-generated content. In this work, we investigate the effects of the self-supervised pre-training and propose the visual grounding of the content keywords in object from movie posters as a pre-training object. Experiments on a large dataset of 35,795 movies demonstrate significant benefits of the self-supervised training and visual grounding. In this process, analyze the movie box office collection with the parameters of the runtime, number of shows, production companies, release date, and finally predict the overall outcome for the selected movie. This is our objectives. To predict the box office collection for the new release movies, implement the most accurate logarithms for predicting the collection. Enhance the performance analysis. First one is the flow diagram. From the data set, we have to select the particular data and pre-process it by the methods such as handling missing values and label encoding. And then after pre-processing, we move on to the feature extraction. We have to extract the features according to the classification. In the classification part, we implement the ML algorithms like linear regression, gradient boosting, and random forest. After fitting and predicting of the models are finished, we move on to the model dumping. That is, we have to impose our model into the pickle form. After this, we have to predict for the each and every data. Performance analysis for this one is the accuracy, confusion matrix, and classification report. This is a system architecture. Movie collection dataset. From the movie collection dataset, we have to pre-process it, split it, extract the features and classification. Here we use the ML algorithms, random forest, gradient boosting, and linear regression, predicting weather prediction, and then performance analysis. This is the case diagram. Data selection, data pre-processing, data splitting, feature extraction, classification, and performance analysis. These are done from our user point of view and then in the inputs in the system. Here architecture, start point, loading and selection, and pre-processing, splitting, extraction of the features, classification, performance analysis. And then this is a sequence diagram. 4 sequences we have: starting, pre-processing, classification, and performance analysis. Select and load in start point, and then the pre-processing and splitting in the pre-processing stages. Apply the ML algorithms in the classification, and finally predict the accuracy of our model in the performance analysis. After executing our main code, the first one, we have to read our data set. Here is the sample of our data set. We have import 10 rows and 23 columns as a sample, and then we have to check whether it has any null values and then check for user. This is the overall budget, average budget for our project, and then we have to implement log budget for the classification purpose. And then here is our train and test splitting size. Here is the release year, and this one is the after the apply of the linear regression model. The main code is executed perfectly, then our model is dump as pickle format, and then import that pickle format in the app.py. After executing app.py, our Streamlit process will be like this. First we have to enter the movie name, release year, and then is for release month. Is this the top producing companies? So we have to select it for whether it is as in the one of the top companies, and then it's our whole running time of our movie, and then it is the in all theaters our movie is how long it takes, and then how many theaters it plays, and then it what is certificated as U or underrated likewise, and then genuine means which category, it's a comedy category or music category, and then thriller category. It predict our box office movie predict $54,